Hello guys, welcome back to our Learning Blooms channel. Today we are going to learn Independence Day speech. Before that, you should remember some tips. Understand the speech, don't just memorize. Know the meaning so you can say it naturally. And second, add your own expressions. Use a pencil to make a where speak loudly, softly or slowly. Start with slowly for first 2-3 lines. Then give 2-second pause after every important sentence. Then audience can easily feel that. Give longer pause before ending the powerful point. Okay? Ask not what your country can do for you. Ask what you can do for your country. Respected principal, teacher and my dear friends, a very happy Independence Day to all of you. Today, on August 15, 2025, we proudly celebrate the 78th year of Independence Day, a journey of resilience, progress, and unity. This is the way of speech. This is the way of speech. Here, when you are starting, start with little slow, then go on increasing your speed. When you are telling this respected principle, give a little smile on your face. August 15, you have to stress and rise your loudly. You have to say this one. 78th year of Independence Day. That time also you have to rise your voice. You have to say loudly. As we salute our national flag, let us remember the brave hearts like Mahatma Gandhiji, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, Bhagat Singh and many others who made the dream of a free India come true. Because of their sacrifice, we are living in a democratic nation where we have the freedom to think, speak and grow. When we will start this paragraph, start with here little fast and go here. Then when you are telling a free India come true, take here little pause and stress this sentence. When you will come for here, freedom to think, speak and grow. Give some stress and pause for every word. Think, speak and grow. Okay. Next, we are adding achievements in our India's what all is going on in last years and all we are adding here. If you want, you can add these points in your speech, or if you are not able to add, if you are very small, then you can directly go to the last slide. Okay, shall we start this one? Let's take a moment to talk about the today's India. In Chandrayaan-3's Vikram lander completed 2 years since its successful soft landing on Moon, showing the world that India's space dreams are not just dreams but achievements. India is now third largest economy in the world, surpassing Japan and Germany in 2025, as per the recent report. Our startup, digital payments and the youth powers are driving this growth. Under the Green India mission, lakhs of trees are being planted and the peoples are switching to eco-friendly choice. In the field of education, National Education Policy 2020 is encouraging more on creativity, skills and our mother tongues. This is our last slide. Here we are ending our speech. As students, what can we do? Let's be proud Indians, not just by words but through action. Respect our parents, teachers and our environment. Study well, stay disciplined and dream big. Be kind, be honest and help others. Let us promise today that we will work to build a better, stronger and cleaner India. Not just for us, but for generations to come. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Vande Mataram.